Hi Snappers! Welcome to Snap360. Today we're going to show you how to create, customize, share, and manage your 360-degree videos with ease using the powerful features of Snap360. When you first open Snap360, you'll need to log in. You can register with your email, Google, Apple, or continue as a guest. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you'll find quick access to your events, helpful tutorials, and a guide to navigate through the app. You can also check out tutorials by tapping on the tutorial section to get more tips on how to make the most of Snap360. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a menu where you can access more options related to your account. In this menu, you'll find information like your account name, the date you join Snap360, and your email address. You can also access your preferences from here, including settings and the option to rate the app. In the same menu, you can easily get help with any issues or questions by tapping on the support section. If you need to make changes to the app's settings or customize your preferences, the configuration options are also available. When you're ready to sign out, you can do so directly from this menu. The first thing you'll want to do is create your event. Tap Create My First Event 360. Enter the event name, date, and description. It's quick and easy. After that, you'll move on to the next step where you can configure the settings for your video recording. In this step, you'll choose the video format, vertical or square, select the camera lens, front or rear, set the duration, and adjust the speed and countdown timer. You can also enable the flash or choose a boomerang effect if you'd like. Finally, let's talk about the best and unique part your videos need. Snap360 lets you personalize it the way you need. You can add music, custom frames, or design personalized frames for your 360-degree videos. When adding music, note that the music file must be in MP3 format and stored on your phone in the Files app. If you're using the boomerang effect, the music will loop for around 50 seconds to match the video. If you're not using the boomerang effect, the music will play for the full length of the video, which is typically 20 seconds. You can add images and text, adjust the zoom, and make it unique to your event. When adding images or custom frames, make sure to match the size to the video format. For vertical videos, use an image size of 1080 by 1920 pixels, and for square videos, use 1080 by 1080 pixels. This ensures that everything fits perfectly and looks amazing in your video. Now here's the great part. Once you've configured the event, you can always go back and modify the settings before recording. Snap360 lets you adjust everything so you don't have to worry about getting it perfect right away. You can change the settings, add your custom frames, and even upload music later on, making it flexible for you to fine-tune the event. After that, you can record your video. Once the video is recorded, you can share it instantly via QR code, AirDrop, WhatsApp, email, or social media. When you're done, you'll be directed back to the main dashboard. From here, you can manage all your events, edit event details, modify the video, or even duplicate the event if you want to save time for similar events. Duplicate event, which allows you to copy all your settings, frames, and music from a previous event and use them for a new one. This saves you time and ensures consistency in your event setup. Now, let's talk about syncing your videos. There are 3 galleries in Snap360: the virtual gallery, where your synced videos are stored online, the offline gallery, where videos are stored if they haven't synced yet, and the mobile gallery, which is where videos are saved initially before syncing. To sync a video, simply go to your offline gallery, select the video, and hit sync. Make sure the app stays open during the sync process. Once synced, your videos will appear in the virtual gallery and you can share them with a QR code. Sharing is made easy with Snap360. You can share your videos via QR code, AirDrop, Bluetooth, social media, or email. You can even share your 360-degree videos directly on a smart TV using the TV presentation feature. Just connect to Wi-Fi or use an HDMI cable for easy sharing. Snap360 also includes predefined settings to make it faster to set up your event, choose from templates, or create your own configurations from scratch. With Snap360, you're ready to start capturing, customizing, and sharing your 360-degree moments whether you're at a wedding, corporate event, or party. Download Snap360 today from the App Store or Google Play and start creating unforgettable experiences. Snap360, the easiest way to capture and share unforgettable 360-degree moments.